If you walk into a room and forget why you're there, can't focus on conversations, or feel like you're thinking through mud, your brain is trying to tell you something. Brain fog isn't normal, and it's not just aging. The hidden cause at number 4 affects nearly 50% of Americans over 40, and most people have no idea they have it. Stay until the end, because I'll give you a simple morning routine that clears brain fog in just 72 hours. Here's what you need to understand. Brain fog is a symptom, not a disease. It's your brain saying it doesn't have what it needs to function properly. That could be nutrients, oxygen, sleep, or the right fuel. These 7 strategies address the root causes, and most people notice dramatic improvements within 1 week. Your sharp mind is still there. You just need to remove what's blocking it. Let's get started. Number 1, you're dehydrated, and it's affecting your brain. Your brain is 75% water. Even mild dehydration shrinks brain tissue temporarily and slows down communication between neurons. That's literally what brain fog is. Most people walk around slightly dehydrated all day without realizing it. Drink 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning, then aim for at least 8 glasses throughout the day. Coffee and soda don't count. Studies show proper hydration improves focus, memory, and mental clarity within hours. Your brain can't think clearly without water. It's that simple. Number 2, your blood sugar is on a roller coaster. When you eat sugary foods, refined carbs, or skip meals, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. Every crash causes brain fog, fatigue, and poor concentration. Your brain uses 20% of your body's glucose, so it's extremely sensitive to blood sugar changes. Eat protein and healthy fats at every meal to keep blood sugar stable. Eggs, nuts, avocado, fish, chicken. Pair carbs with protein. This gives your brain steady fuel instead of spikes and crashes. People who stabilize blood sugar report dramatically clearer thinking within just a few days. Number 3, you're not getting enough quality sleep. During deep sleep, your brain clears out metabolic waste that builds up during the day. When you don't sleep well, that waste accumulates and it physically clogs your brain's ability to function. You wake up foggy, and it gets worse as the day goes on. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Keep your room cool and dark. No screens an hour before bed. Same bedtime every night. Fix your sleep and your mental clarity will return. Your brain literally detoxifies while you sleep. Without it, fog is inevitable. Number 4, this is the hidden cause that affects 50% of people over 40. Vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 is essential for brain function and nerve health. Low B12 causes severe brain fog, memory problems, and fatigue. It's extremely common in people over 40 because your body produces less stomach acid as you age, which makes it harder to absorb B12 from food. Vegetarians and vegans are also at high risk. Get your B12 levels tested. If you're deficient, take a supplement or eat more B12-rich foods like eggs, meat, and fish. People who fix their B12 deficiency say it's like a light switch turning on. Brain fog lifts within weeks. Number 5, too much screen time is frying your brain. Constant notifications, multitasking between apps, and information overload exhaust your brain. Your attention is fragmented all day long, which makes it impossible to think clearly. Set specific times to check emails and social media instead of constantly switching between tasks. Take a 10-minute screen break every hour. Go outside, look at something far away, or just close your eyes. Your brain needs downtime to process information. Without breaks, it stays in a fog. Digital detox isn't optional anymore. It's necessary for mental clarity. Number 6. Your gut health is affecting your brain. 80% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, and there's a direct connection between your gut and brain called the gut-brain axis. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, it causes inflammation that affects your brain function. This shows up as brain fog, mood issues, and poor concentration. Eat fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut. Add fiber from vegetables and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugar, which feed bad bacteria. A healthy gut equals a clear mind. Fix one and you fix the other. Number 7, you need to move your body. Exercise increases blood flow to your brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. It also releases BDNF, which is like fertilizer for your brain cells. Even a 20-minute walk significantly improves mental clarity, focus, and memory. Sitting all day starves your brain of oxygen and makes fog worse. Move every hour. Take walks, stretch, or do light exercise. People who exercise regularly have sharper thinking and better memory at every age. Your brain needs movement to function optimally. Give it what it needs. Here's the morning routine I promised that clears brain fog in 72 hours. First, drink 16 ounces of water immediately after waking. Then eat a high-protein breakfast within an hour. At least 25 grams of protein. Next, get 10 minutes of sunlight exposure to reset your circadian rhythm. Finally, do 10 minutes of light movement like walking or stretching. This combination hydrates your brain, stabilizes blood sugar, regulates your sleep-wake cycle, and increases oxygen flow. Follow this for 3 days straight and your mental clarity will dramatically improve. Brain fog is fixable. You just need to address what's causing it. Start with 2 or 3 of these strategies today and build from there. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical health advice. Your sharp, clear mind is waiting. Go get it back. I'll see you in the next one.